Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of this amazing dress. It is made of Sophie Hallette lace. The lace is absolutely amazing. There's 70% of cotton in its structure. It was first produced last year, and the amount was very small. I was lucky to buy it. Before I start telling you about this dress, I want to remind you that I made several tutorials on how to sew such necklines. You already know how to make such off-the-shoulder items. I've even showed you several different types of them. If you haven't watched these tutorials yet, do it. I remind you that such necklines can be more or less gathered. It's up to you. The dress is absolutely amazing. The lace is wonderful. The lining was made of very thin chiffon. The fabrics are very light, and so is the dress. Have a look at the neckline. The lace makes it look amazing. The necklace was stitched with an elastic thread. There are 3 seams in the neckline. It was stitched and then gathered. I've already showed you how to do it. The dress can also be put on this way. These are the raglan sleeves. The chest darts were moved here and then gathered on the neckline. There are no darts in this dress. The waist was made a bit wider and then also gathered with an elastic thread. The skirt is flared. It was gathered on the waistline together with the bodice. I think that there are about 20 extra centimeters on the waistline. As I've already said, the skirt is flared. There is a flounce on the bottom. It's about 12 centimeters wide. The bottom was edged with a roll hem. The sleeves and the neckline were not edged. This is just a fabric edge. There is also a waistband. Have a look at it. Next, I'll put this dress on the table to show you the wrong side. I saw similar dresses in French boutiques. Their price is very high. We can also make such dresses. Have a look here. The neckline was stitched together with a chiffon lining. There are 3 rows of stitching on the neckline. The sleeves were also stitched with an elastic thread. There are 2 rows of stitching in sleeves. I've already told you about the waistline. The bottom was edged with rolled hem. Next, I'll show you the wrong side. I've already told you that we don't know any universal techniques for working with lace. There are different types of lace, and there are also different purposes for using lace. The techniques are also different. Have a look at the chiffon lining. The fabric is very thin. Have a look at the way the side seams and the armholes are edged with chiffon. The waist seam is also edged with chiffon. This is the seam where the bodice and the skirt were attached to each other. Have a look at the skirt. There is just 1 layer of chiffon in the bodice, and there are 2 layers in the skirt. Chiffon and lace used together make this dress very light. The bottom of the lining is edged with baby hem. Have a look at the way the flounce was stitched to the skirt. The seam is also edged with chiffon. The pieces of lace were stitched to each other with French seam. All the details are absolutely amazing. I'm glad that I can show you some garments made by professional tailors. You would never see items of such quality in mass production shops. The lace is absolutely amazing. I remind you that there are 70% of cotton in its structure. It's very thin. Lace and chiffon used together make this dress look very light and beautiful. That's all for today. I hope that you like the reviews I show you. I think that they're very useful. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.